And that's the latest reaction coming in, viewers. Two coaches of the express train have derailed. This is, of course, a terrible tragedy which is developing in West Bengal. We were telling you earlier how the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, has also reacted to the same. In fact, Mamata Banerjee had, in that reaction, said that she's taking stock of the situation. Details, of course, are awaited. Remember, a goods train has been hit. DM, SP, doctors, ambulances, a disaster team, all of that has been rushed to the location for all the rescue efforts. The medical assistance also is being given. Action has been initiated on war footing, says the Chief Minister of the state. Adrija joining us live on the broadcast. Adrija, over to you. Give us the latest far as the ground situation is concerned.
Well, you see the rescue operation is going on. Officially, the death count has still not been released, but from what we are getting to know of from the people, the locals who are present in the area, they are saying that they have seen that at least, one or two people have already lost their lives, and there is a possibility that the death count might, the death toll might rise. But however, officially, the officials are yet to confirm the death toll or even to report that even or not there has been a casualty. But several people has been injured from what we are getting to know, and medical assistance, the medical teams have also been rushed to the area. Ambulances have also been brought into that particular area where the tragic accident have taken place, and they are, the rescue operation is on, and as soon as the people are being taken out from those compartments where they are trapped, they are being given medical assistance. But at the same time, several people who, now it has been a couple of hours since the incident have taken place, and the, people are still trapped inside there. So by the time there's a possibility that some people might be severely injured who are still trapped inside those two compartments. And also from what we were hearing from the reactions that were coming in from there, also these two compartment that has derailed and has faced the maximum impact of the coalition are the general compartment, the general category seats. So of course, people there, more people tend to travel in this general compartments, and therefore the death toll or the number of injuries might rise in the coming time as and when the rescue operation proceeds.
Well, absolutely. With us, viewers, we are also flashing the helpline numbers, which you can see at the bottom of your screens. These helpline numbers, of course, have been launched for all of those or anyone, who has their loved ones who are aboard that train. Of course, details are still trickling in. Again, all the teams are being rushed to the spot. Ambulances, etc., are already there. Adrija is continuing to be live with us. She's bringing us all the updates. Let's take a look at the latest reactions.
আমার নাম শাশ্বতী দাস সরকার।
All right, so that was a reaction, of course, coming in. Helpline numbers, viewers, as I said, flashing at the bottom of your screen. Terrible tragedy there in Bengal. This is, of course, a train derailment is what we are getting to know, rather a train accident. This train was en route to Sialda. What we know at the moment in Kolkata, and the accident happened when a goods train hit it from behind. This happened near Siliguri. This is the Siliguri's Rangpani region. Again, as far as the number of injured are concerned, that number is still being verified. Ambulances are present at the spot. What we do know at the moment, this is some source-based information coming in, that a container train had overshooted the signal, and and that container train, it hit the rear portion of the express train. That is the Kanchenjunga train. The Kanchenjunga coach, remember, has 2 parcel vans and guard coach in the near. NDRF divisional teams and 15 ambulances already at the site. There are ministers also in the war room. There are probabilities, again, as I repeat, probabilities of 2 deaths. That number is yet to be confirmed. Helpline number has already been issued. We also heard what the Darjeeling SP, that is the IG North Bengal also, who are at the spot. Disaster management groups have also reached the spot. Rescue teams are there. Rescue operations are underway. NDRF team have been requisitioned by the state already to join the rescue operation. So that's the latest far as all the information is concerned. Helpline numbers, viewers, at the bottom of your screen. Adrija is continuing to be live with us. Adrija, what's the latest when we speak of the rescue operations?
Well, you see, if the rescue operations are continuing, the disaster management team has also reached the location, and control desks have also been set up in Shialda station here for to give assistance to the families of the people who aborted the train, who were traveling in that particular train. Also, from what we are getting to know, several people have been injured in this tragic accident that have taken place, and also at the same time, this entire very unfortunate incident have taken place where after the collision of the goods train, it caused to the derailment of the last two compartments of the Kanchenjunga Express that was standing in that particular station, and it caused a derail, and the goods train that came from behind, and with the huge impact that it hit the Kanchenjunga train, it caused it resulted in the derailment of the last two compartments of the Kanchenjunga Express.
And Adrija, why don't you stay with us, because we have some more breaking news coming in.